Today, we are going to prepare a tasty and flavorful Andhra style mushroom biryani. Please watch till end because I will explain everything step by step. First, before starting the biryani, soak 250 grams of basmati rice. Heat a pan and add 5 tablespoons of oil. Keep the flame on low and add the whole biryani spices. Saute gently about 1 minute till nice aroma comes. Now add 2 medium-sized onions and saute till they turn golden brown. Meanwhile, prepare a green paste in a mixer jar. Add green chilies, mint leaves, coriander leaves and 1.5 tablespoon of dry kasuri methi. Add little water and grind it into smooth paste. This helps all flavors mix well and avoid mint leaves coming separately while eating. Add this ground mixture into the pan. Increase the flame to medium and saute till oil starts releasing. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Next, grind 2 medium-sized tomatoes into a smooth puree. Grinding tomatoes give the biryani a rich and smooth texture. Once oil separates, add the tomato puree and cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for 1 minute till the raw smell goes. Next, add the washed and cleaned mushrooms. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of rock salt. Mix well, cover and cook for about 5 minutes. For 250 grams basmati rice, I am adding 375 ml water. Increase the flame and let the water boil well. At this stage, taste the water. It should be slightly salty. Now add the soaked rice and mix gently. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Cook on high flame till water and rice become same. Once leveled, cover the pan and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Switch off the flame and rest for 15 minutes. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. This makes the biryani extra flavorful and aromatic. Serve hot with simple onion raita or fries. See you soon with another delicious recipe. Happy cooking!